How to sign up for OnlyFans. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an OnlyFans account so that you can log in and start using OnlyFans. So let's begin the tutorial. First of all, in order to create your account on OnlyFans, come over to official website of OnlyFans, onlyfans.com. And as you have to create your OnlyFans account, here click on sign up for OnlyFans. Now at first enter your name and then under that enter your email address. After entering your email address, create a strong password here. Now once you finished all 3 steps, here click on sign up and now select on this checkbox I'm not a robot, and let me solve this puzzle real quick. Once it is confirmed, again click on sign up. Now once you signed up to OnlyFans, now the next step for you is to verify your email address. So here in your OnlyFans homepage, you will have a message like this, please verify your email address. So in order to verify your email, here click on verify email. And now in this page, click on send confirmation. Now you need to check your email inbox. So here I'm gonna click on close and let me check my email inbox real quick. And there it is. This is the confirmation mail I received from OnlyFans. And in order to verify my email, I can either click on here or I can copy this link or paste into the browser address bar. But I'm gonna click on here to verify my email. And there it is. As you can see, my email has been verified. And that's how you can sign up, create and log into your OnlyFans account. And if you found this video helpful, then do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you want to change your location on OnlyFans, then watch this video and I'll see you there.